Good afternoon. So as you can see, I have Detox tea right here. I just think, like, especially if you're doing anything natural or around animals or anything like that, that you should regularly detoxify yourself. And so I'm gonna try this. I got this as a free sample, so let's see how I feel right after this. I'm also slightly dehydrated, so I need to make sure I take both of these at the same time. That's a tea right there. Get it. So I've got Wagyu here. It's American Wagyu. As you can see, it's organic. Even though it's still got a Japanese name, it does have a QR code. And it's humanely raised with no hormones added. So the special thing about Wagyu beef is that it has a special relationship between the fat, the meat, and the flavor, based off of how they take care of these animals. So I'm excited because I got this for $10. I'm about to really let y'all know what it's about. So as you can see, it's a ton of meat. This is why it also qualifies as meal prep. I'm not adding too much salt or any other type of fat ahead of time. I'm just gonna basically braise it and see what this flavor is like. Okay, it's almost done. Gotta get some more of that fat evaporated and such. Alright. Actually didn't shrink that much, which I'm really happy about. I eat it with red. You don't have to. A little bit of rice on the side and topped with some balsamic vinaigrette. We're about to get it.